Hey everyone, Leah with Brazen Fitness, and today we're going to be doing a dumbbell pull through. I'm going to show you a few variations. This is great for core work. You're working side core, pulling that bell under the body left to right, and you're going to be working some shoulder stability too. So you get a little double whammy here. First and foremost, this is going to be done from either a quadruped or hands and knees position or more of a plank position. You're going to use a dumbbell that you feel pretty comfortable working with, something that maybe you would use in a workout regularly, nothing that's too heavy. That dumbbell is going to line up with the side of your body. So if I was in a hands and knees position, I could simply take my opposite hand through and drag the dumbbell across, keeping my core nice and engaged, nice and stable, reaching through, pulling across. Now, if I want to take this up a notch, all I need to do is pull those toes under, elevate the knees, and again, reaching, pulling, reach through, pull through. Okay, and last but not least, okay, I can go into a full plank. My feet are a little bit wider. That's going to prevent me from having to rock left and right too much. It's going to keep me nice and stable. I'm going to keep my weight on the palm under the shoulder as I reach through with the opposite hand, slide the dumbbell over, and repeat on the other side.